The Vidyard Player API allows developers to control the behavior of an embedded player via JavaScript. This can include adding external player controls and information onto a web page, delivering view data to third-party systems, or using Vidyard events to skip to various parts of a video or playlist. We will take a look at how all of these can be achieved before moving on to some specific examples. In order to utilize the Player API for an embedded player, ensure that you are using the responsive embed code that includes the v4 JavaScript. iframe embeds are not compatible. When you start to program using the Player API, you should be aware of the JavaScript methods and events that you can use. Methods are the requests that you wish to make to the player, whereas events are occurrences of player actions that you can be notified of. Some examples of JavaScript methods being play in pause, adjusting volume, and enabling captions. All of these can be executed without the user touching the Vidyard player. Some examples of JavaScript events are onReady, onPlay, and onSeek. Methods can be programmed to complete when these JavaScript events get triggered. Also available through the API is access to player metadata, such as the title, length, description, and custom attributes. Progress events can notify the page of percentage viewing milestones that can then be passed into third-party analytics systems. Using a combination of methods, events, and metadata creates the opportunity for a very customized and exciting way to deliver content that can match the needs of both the content creator and the viewer. So let's take a look at some examples. Your player can automatically start playing when the browser window is scrolled. This is a great way to have an autoplay functionality on a video that's below the fold. Perhaps you wish to have your video view data added to an external analytics tool. By using progress events, you can extract the video engagement milestone data using predefined percentages. You can then send this data along with anything else that your tool is collecting about the viewer's behavior. Another function could be to take some of the metadata associated to the player and add these elements to the page. It could be showing the title of the player and a button to download the captions for improved accessibility. And for a final example, you are able to program buttons within events that provide a way for the viewer to skip to various chapters in the playlist, just like a choose your own adventure story. Here are a few key takeaways about the Player API. We hope you have found this information useful. Further information for developers or anyone who is interested in programming with our APIs is available on our knowledge base at knowledge.vidyard.com. If you have any specific questions about programming with the APIs, feel free to contact your customer success manager or the Vidyard support team.